Today we need to talk about LIC Housing Finance current market condition. Okay, this is the LIC Housing Finance monthly chart. We need to analyze a script from monthly to low time frames. Okay, normally we need to analyze monthly, after daily, and 1 hour chart, and again 15 minutes. The two multi time frame analysis types we also used in our analysis. Okay, the one is monthly, daily, 1 hour and 15 minutes. Other thing is weekly, 4 hours, 30 minutes, 5 minutes, like this. Okay, we need to go for the more clear explanation of the chart. Go to the low time frame. That is the order to analyze the chart. Today we need to focus on the monthly wise analysis, how to play here, and what is the current market condition. Any opportunities to buy or sell, and what are the previous week and this week, and what about the next week market conditions with only the technical analysis. Let's go. This is the monthly chart. What do you think about what is the current market condition in LIC Housing Finance in monthly chart? In 2017 it is the I think it's the all-time high. Okay, you can check this is the all-time high on 2017. After this market is going down, no any good upward movements. Okay, is the whole market is going down, but these are the some corrections. Okay, the corrections means this is not a uptrend, this is the downtrend. Downtrend is forming with only the lower lows and lower highs. Okay, you can check these, the whole swings are forming with the lower lows and lower highs. So this is the downtrend. The market is need to change to the uptrend. We need to find that where they have a chance and where the turning point of the market. After this market is again going up. Okay, so that's normally we can tell that 10 reversals. We have to find that 10, identify the 10 reversal points. After we can go for the trade. Okay, but this market is currently down. This is the high, all-time high. This is, what do you think about this? Is low. This is lower high, lower low, lower high, again lower low. This is previous lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So this time is a forming of lower high. Okay, but sometimes this lower high, this is the current market. I have to explain that what this market is playing. It's going up. This, okay, going down. Okay, this is this is lower high and lower low. This is the forming of downtrend. But sometimes this market is going up nearly here. Break this previous lower high point. It's the lower high point. Break this lower high and close there. What do you think about this? Is the market trend reversal. Okay, this is the trend reversal point. Right after you can go for the uptrend because this is trend reversal point. The normal trend reversal point is the consolidation area is forming on the trend reversal points. Right? Trend reversal points normally have before the trend reversal point as a consolidation area is forming. But this market is, what do you think about this? Is the one of the this same level that's forming 1, 2, 3 candles, but we don't confirm only these candles. We have to confirm by this lower time frame. This is the consolidation area. After break that consolidation area and again need to break this the previous lower. After we can confirm it is the good uptrend movement is started. after you can go for the long-term investment, because this is the monthly chart. So we can invest for the long term, because what do you think about this? The current price is nearly 283, but after break this 450 and go for the nearly the previous all-time high. Okay, don't worry about it. This is the market. This is the technical analysis. We can trade with the technical analysis, right? But I don't talk too much. What is the because we need to shortly we need to say into in this video. So these are the basic things. Okay, next thing is we have to go for the low time frame. This is the low time frame, and I have to go for the daily chart. Okay, these are the daily chart. What do you think about this? This is like a consolidation, because this market is again coming up, again this previous high, again inside. This is the formation, right? This is the this, like we need to check this. So this is the daily chart. Daily chart is forming a lot of patterns, but we need to clearly we can see these patterns on 1 hour chart. Okay, I will explain these all patterns in 1 hour chart, so don't worry about that. But did you have any patterns on this daily chart? Did you have any patterns on daily chart? You didn't got that, but I need to tell what is pattern, right? I draw something. What do you think? Any idea about it? Okay. I have to change this colors because I am also drawn a daily supports on green color, blue color. So that reason also I change the color. Did you have any pointed ideas about this pattern? This is the flag, the inverted flag. Okay. So normally flag pattern have a chance to break on like this again, like this. But we can confirm like this. But I am also identify that pattern, but I didn't confirm that, because a lot of opportunities to fulfill that flag pattern after this flag pattern, then reach the target. Okay, we don't talk too much, we only analyze this the full of script, what are the possibilities. After we can do that, this is the we can talk in the separate video about this flag pattern. It is easily to identify the flag and go with flag pattern, right? The current market is going down, because you know this is the in the monthly chart, this is in the down trend, but this is the forming like a consolidation, but we can't confirm that this is consolidation. What do you think about the consolidation? Say go up and go down, go up like a channel. Okay, that is the again break, because normally the consolidation is need to the demand area, because the market is going down in the monthly wise nearly lot of years from 2017 to this market is going down, but it's a consolidation nearly I think it's going to come from March, nearly 2-3 months in the consolidation area. So this markets again have a chance to going up like this, we can take it. Okay, that time this flag pattern is need to come to fail, because we also think this flag pattern is going more down, but like this consolidation area was forming after this black pattern is going. Okay, this is the, you have to know the fundamental things on this, the patterns. After you can go with the trade. Okay, what do you think about? So this is the, after we can confirm this is the previous high on this market. So this current market need to break this the previous high, after you can go for a buy. Okay, but that is also correction, but you can get some earnings. You don't need wait for the monthly long time. You can wait nearly 15 days or the below 30 days you can get some profits, because this current market need to break this previous high. Okay, after you can go for some profits. This is the easy way to trade with your own knowledge. So you need to teach from these skills, and after you can go with trade with your own mind and your own profits. Right? You think you got something, I think. Right, okay. So after I need to go to the 1 hour chart. Normally you know that you can get this targets on in a week, and you will get some money. If this is not a long term, then you can't trade with long term in 1 hour chart. This is also in this in a week. Okay, this I only drawn some patterns in the this month forming like these patterns on LIC housing finance. Only I draw that pattern. So okay, this is the ascending channel. Okay, ascending channel breakout is normally happening on downside. Okay, after reach some targets, again forming a ascending channel is this LIC finance. After again retest and again hit the target, because I also published it on my previous video. You can check that. This my I also put that this is a target 162 nearly here. That target also hit. Okay, this is a retest. This is my previously I don't like this is a retest, and again market going down. Okay, and reach this 262 after again forming a rising wedge. What do you think about this? Is the forming of rising wedge again with the target and again forming a rising wedge. This is a breakout. Rising wedge normally break from downside, again retest, so market have a chance to going down like this, again hit the target, have a chance to hit 262 chance. Okay, because this is the, but this is not a these are very accurate patterns, but this is only one touch, two touch, one touch, two touch, and three touches on the upper side, and lower side also 1, 2, 3. That 4-time breakout. So this is a good pattern, and again have a chance to hit this 162. Like because 162 is the playing like it a good resistance also. So again market 162. You can confirm after 162 is the good pattern. We can trade with patterns in 1 hour chart, but you can trade with daily chart or monthly chart is for the long term, the good investment with or risk. Okay, these are the current market conditions. You can trade with technical analysis. These are good patterns. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this channel for like this analysis, script analysis, and we also talk like this sell below and buy above targets. Also we talked in our previous uh, videos, so you can check that, and future we will post like this analysis. Okay, subscribe this channel for like these videos. Thank you.